In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to create a welcome badge in Roblox Studio. The first step is to add a script in Server Script Service, which I'll name Badge Handler. Now let's walk through this script step by step. It won't be hard to understand. First, we define the badge service and players variables. Next, we define the badge ID variable. Make sure to replace this with the ID of the badge you created. I'll also show you how to create a badge and find its ID. This part of the script runs when a player joins the game. When a player joins, we check if they already own the badge using the ownsBadge variable, which requires the player's user ID and the badge ID. If the ownsBadge variable is false, meaning the player doesn't own the badge, we award the player the badge associated with the badge ID. Now let's go over how to create a badge and find its ID. Find the game where you want to add a badge, then navigate to the Engagement tab. There, you'll find a section called Badges. Click on it. Click on the Create a Badge button and enter a name for your new badge. Make sure to upload an image. Without one, you won't be able to create the badge. After the badge is created, click on it. You'll see 3 dots next to the badge name. Click on those dots and click on Copy Asset ID. As you can see, the ID of your badge has been copied to your clipboard. Now back to coding. My badge ID is correct, so I don't need to change it. Let's test this to see it in action. As you can see, I received the badge. If I stop the game and start it again, I won't receive it a second time since I already have it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you won't miss out on other relevant content.